this is number 10. So 10 says the marginal cost, which marginal means derivative, of producing X thousand units of a new product is given by this function. So we have C prime of X, whose marginal is the derivative, is 0.3x squared plus 4x minus 2. It says the cost of producing 10,000 units is 4,200, so 10,000 is equal to 4,200. Find the fixed cost of production. And when they're asking for the fixed cost, they're talking about that C value, that constant that we add on when we take the integral. Okay, so we'll say that our C expression. Okay, and that would be our constant. Because when I take the integral of this, it'll be a linear function. So the fixed cost will be like the y-intercept. So if y equals mx plus b, that b would be your fixed constant. Okay? So I'm going to have to take the integral of c prime of x. So that's the integral of 0.3 x squared plus 4x minus 2. Okay. And when I do that, remember I add 1 to each of my exponents and divide. Not really here. So I'm going to add 1, so I'll have 0.3x cubed over 3 plus 4x squared over 2 minus 2. I just add on x and then plus the constant, and that is what I'm solving for. Okay? So I add 1, and then I divide by the same number. Add 1, divide by this. So here would be 1 divided by 1. Okay? So I'm just going to simplify that sum. I'll have, so this is now C of x will be 0.1 x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x plus C. And now they say when I have 10,000 that I made 4,200 and the x is in 1,000 units. So I'm just going to plug 10 in. So I'll have 4,200 equals 0.1 times 10 cubed plus 2 10 squared. I'm going to finish it down here. Minus 2 times 10 plus c. And now you will solve for c. So these are all numbers, just subtract or add them to the other side, and you'll get that C is 3920. Okay? That's B. So when they ask you for the fixed cost, that means that you are solving for that constant C value, so this is what we wanted to know. Okay? So I have to take the integral of that to get a constant. When I take the integral, I add 1 to my exponent and I divide by that same number. So add 1, you get 2, and add by it. Remember, here we really have x to the 0. So I add 1, divide by it, and then I plug in 10 because they say 10,000 is 4,200, but x is represented in thousands of units. So I plug in 10 and I get 3924C. And that's number 10.